A pleasant day to you, ma'am. I am Donna Ardominici, and for today's report, I am going to tackle about the classification of Philippine folk dance according to geography and nature, according to movement, and according to formation. So, without further ado, let's start with the classification of Philippine folk dance according to geography and nature. So, there are two classifications of Philippine folk dance according to geographical origin. So these two are the national dance, which is found throughout the Philippines, and the local dance, which is found in a region. So in nature, there are 8 classifications of Philippine folk dance. Number one is occupational dance. So from the word itself, occupational, so this dance depicts movements in a particular occupation. The next one is the ceremonial or religious dance, which is associated with religion, vows, and ceremonies. So one example of this is Subli from Banawan, Batangas. And the third one is the comic dance, which depicts the humorous and funny movements and mainly intended for entertainment. The next one is the game dance. Game dance have some play elements and are for recreational purposes. And the next one is the wedding dance. It is performed during wedding fest. So one example of this one is the pantomima dance. So it is performed during wedding festivities by the couple and the visitors. So this dance is still popular in Bicol region even up to this time. Okay, so next is the courtship dance. It depicts an art of courtship. So one example of this is the kuratsa. So it is performed by the young couple that attempt to get each other's attention. The next one is the festival dance, which is performed during special occasions like fiesta. So one example of this is our festival, which is called the Gatnon Festival. So this dance is this dance showcase the 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 story of Balingaunon, including their main livelihood and their culture. And the last one is the war dance, which is depicts the imagery combat. An example of this is the Kayao. Okay, that's all for the classification of Philippine folk dance according to geography and nature. So let's move on to the next topic, which is the classification of Philippine folk dance according to movement. So, Philippine folk dance steps have quiet, simple variations, including walking, hopping, skipping, and turning. So, these movements is depend on the dance forms, and this movement may be a a, a long, slow, and gliding, or it may be short, fast, and springing. So if we are going to perform a specific folk dance, we have to follow the correct movement so that we can achieve the perfect performance. So the last one is the classification of Philippine folk dance according to formation. So the simplest formation of folk dance is the closed circle, and that is found in all folk dances. And that is derived from from the from the ritual of circling around and the object of worship. So each one grasps one another by the hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, and waist, and face the center. So a synopsis of my report that folk dance or Philippine folk dance in is not an easy dance to perform because it has movement and formation that we need to follow in order to have a successful or perfect performance. And that's all for today, ma'am. Thank you. God bless.